In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Affirm on Expedia in 2025 step by step. If you want to book travel now and pay over time, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it smoothly and confidently. Start on Expedia and browse as you normally would. Pick your flight, hotel, car, or bundle and review the details carefully. Pay attention to travel dates, room or fare rules, and especially cancellation and change policies, because your payment plan won't automatically adjust unless a refund is processed. Also note that financing availability can depend on your purchase amount and your eligibility, so keep your cart consistent and finalize before you move on. When you're ready to check out, proceed to payment and select Affirm as your payment method. You'll be guided to Affirm's secure flow where you'll enter a few basic details for a quick eligibility check. This typically includes identity verification and contact information for security. You'll get a real-time decision, and in some cases you might be asked for a small down payment at checkout. Before you agree to anything, Affirm will clearly display the total cost, including any interest, so there are no surprises. Next, choose how you want to pay. Affirm will show you a few installment options with different term lengths. Compare the monthly payment, the APR if any, and the total cost over time. If a 0% APR promotion is available, you'll see it. Otherwise, make sure the plan you pick fits your budget comfortably. A shorter term usually means less interest paid overall, while a longer term lowers your monthly payment. Select the plan that works best for you and confirm. Once you place the order, your trip is booked and your payment schedule is set. Affirm will outline your due dates and amounts right away. There are no hidden fees, and you can pay off your balance early without a penalty, which can reduce interest on eligible plans. Remember, if you change or cancel with Expedia, any refund will flow through to your Affirm loan according to the merchant's policies. Always double check those policies before finalizing. To keep everything on track, download the Affirm app or sign in at affirm.com. Set up autopay so you never miss a due date, add or update your debit card or bank account, and enable notifications for reminders. Inside the app, you can see your remaining balance, upcoming payments, and receipts, and you can make extra payments anytime. That's it. Shop on Expedia, select Affirm at checkout, choose a plan that fits your budget, and manage your payments easily with the app. Safe travels and smart budgeting.